Damn, these laces are super dirty. I'm pretty sure that's mustard. If you guys can see that, a little yellow. So I'm guessing the yellow stains on the shoe are mustard because it definitely smells like mustard. We'll see. Hopefully that comes out. I don't think I've cleaned mustard out of a shoe yet. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Restorations with Vic. Today, we're gonna be restoring these Air Jordan Cool Gray 3s from 2006, I wanna believe. Let me check, 2006. So as you can see, the shoes are completely trashed inside and out. Check out the sock liner. It's supposed to be white, it looks gray, it looks like it blends with the rest of the shoe. The whole shoe just messed up. After the cleaning's done, we're gonna repaint these shoes and it's gonna be a brand new shoe. So to get started with this restoration, we're gonna remove the shoelaces and insert our adjustable Reshoevn8r shoe tree to size. The reason why we use the shoe tree is so after the shoe's fully dry, the toe boxes regain its original shape and it gets rid of all the creasing. Also, during the cleaning process, it helps me apply pressure on the toe box. We're gonna get started with a soft bristle brush to clean up the suede uppers and try to clean up the sock liner as best as possible. Brush is dipped, let's do some scrubbing action. Whenever you're using a soft bristle brush, brush in a circular motion, that's how you get the best results. Jump back to this side. Don't forget to scrub under these plastic eyelids. Usually a lot of dirt, grime gets stuck under there. Let's also get the back tab. It's not too dirty like I imagined it to be, but there is a little grime and it's a little red. Let's clean that up. I'm gonna take out the shoe tree real quick. There is a couple of deep stains on the uppers, so we're gonna put this brush to the side and move on to the all-purpose brush. Uppers look pretty good. We'll put this brush to the side. We're gonna jump onto the soles. So the first brush we're gonna be using is a stiff bristle brush to go over the entire thing. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some deep stains in the white areas. So after that, we'll use the brass bristle to really get in there and get rid of all the stains. Got it. All right, I think the shoe's good to go, but the insole and the laces need some work. All right, sock liner. Keep on wanting to call this thing sock liner. I think that's the fourth time. Insole looks good. Let's put it back in the shoe, just like that. Grab our shoe tree, put it back in. Grab our shoelace, put it inside the shoe. Shoe is fully pre-treated, it looks good. Everything got scrubbed. The sock liners are back to white overall. Uppers, the stains are all gone. Soles look good. Whoops, lace almost came out. So now let's put it inside our sneaker laundry bag so we can put them in the washing machine. Close that up. Give it a quick knot just for extra security. And and we're on our way. Just put the shoe inside this little white box. Grab our Reshoevn8r Sneaker Laundry Detergent. This stuff's my favorite product just because it works so freaking well. Squeeze it. Pour a nice full ounce. Close the lid. Turn your washing machine on. Small cycle since it is only one shoe. Cold water, make sure it's always cold water with the regular cycle. So regular cycle, cold water, good to go. All right guys, shoes are fresh at the washing machine. I let them dry for a good 24 hours. Check them out. I don't even have to say anything. Midsoles, soles, sock liner, everything for the most part cleaned up nicely. All the stains that were in the uppers are completely gone. Toe boxes cleaned up nicely. My favorite part of this whole cleanup was the sock liners. Look how white those are. Check out the befores. They're not even white on the befores. They're freaking black or brown. The next step we're gonna do is move on to the midsoles. What I gotta do first is tape up the uppers so we can remove the paint using acetone and cotton balls. So if you guys are wondering what kind of tape I'm using Scotch tape. You guys buy this at Walmart, Staples, just about anywhere. All right guys, shoes are finally fully taped up. So we're gonna wipe off all this cracked paint using some cotton balls and some acetone. Pretty much what we're gonna do is just grab a cotton ball, drench it in acetone, and just wipe it off. Here's a quick tip. These shoes specifically, these are from 2006. The shoes from 2006, 2005, 2007, around that era, they used a paint where it wipes off really easy using acetone. Just gently wipe off the paint. It comes off fairly easy. All right guys, midsoles are fully stripped. Check that out. Check how smooth they are. It's one of those really quick, easy, clean paint removals, luckily. Also, I'm gonna show you guys how good my tape job is because I'm like 110% sure no paint got under there. Yep, just like how I said. Midsoles are fully stripped, tape is off. Next thing we're gonna do is retape the shoe, soles included, so we can apply the paint. All right guys, uppers are taped up, soles are taped up, we're good to go. The first color we're gonna lay down is the flat white color from Angelus. We're gonna lay down with the angular brush. Tip number 2, use a heat gun after every coat. It helps speed up the process and it also helps with the brush strokes. Let's lay down the gray color. The colors they used to create that mix were bone, dark gray, and brown. Moment of truth. Let's remove the tape and see how well these turned out. Now let's remove the big old piece, see what we have under. So far so good. Perfect. Perfect straight line all around. No spillage, no nothing. Before we remove the tape, we gotta go outside and protect this beautiful paint job, because if we don't, after a few wears, the paint's gonna come off. Any little scuff, it's gonna hit and remove the paint. So that's why this step is important, by spraying our Krylon matte finish. Let's go outside. Let's spray a few coats all around the midsole. Check out that midsole, guys. It's perfect. So for these uppers, like I mentioned earlier in the video, the first thing we're gonna do is remove all the lint off the sock liners using my handy lint shaver. You can buy one of these at Target, Walmart. They go for about $5 or $6. Not expensive, but it's a good tool to have if you're doing restorations at home. Here's a quick close-up of the sock liner. The next part on the uppers that we're gonna be working on is the suede cut all around. It's a little fuzzy. Now using my soft bristle brush, we're gonna brush the frayed material out so we can see it. So as you can see in this area right here, it's pretty frayed. So we'll grab our clippers and simply just shave it off. All right, cut looks good. All that frayed material is out. One thing I did forget to do once again is to reset the nap on the suede. We'll be using our medium all-purpose brush in a circular motion in the areas that are a little bit rougher than the others to bring back that texture. You can definitely see suede being combed back and forth. All right guys, elephant print's fully done. Looks good all around. It was just the front area that needed touch-ups. I also went ahead and laced the shoe up. So the very last thing we gotta do is spray our Reshoevn8r mink oil and a soft bristle brush to brush it in. All right guys, that is gonna bring us to an end on these Coolgrey 3 restoration. Check out the difference. I haven't said this in a really long time, so it's okay if I say it right now. The difference is night and gray. Check them out. Just look at how beat this shoe were. Super gray, super black. The sock liners weren't even white. The laces were super trash. That's one thing I had to go back in and wash twice was a shoelace. Look how bad they were all around. They were just really, really bad. I honestly didn't think they were gonna clean up. It was risky doing this video because if they didn't clean up, it was gonna be awkward after the cleaning process. I was gonna have a super crisp midsole repaint, but with stains on the uppers. Thankfully, the shoes cleaned up nicely. And that's pretty much it, guys. I don't think I missed anything else. The shoe cleaned up really, really nicely. Now I'm gonna have to finish up the second shoe because Mr. Daniel wants a pair. All good though. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, before I forget, our products, Reshoevn8r.com. Go buy some products. See you guys next Monday.